Hi friends, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to uh, use the power of Figma prototyping to reveal some portion of a text. So let's get started. So I'm going to import my frame. Um, so I'm going to use a desktop frame for this. So I have my desktop frame. So I can I can have my text. I can call this text. Can have text. Uh, I can call this Figma prototyping. Okay. Is it? All right. Okay. I can just make this gold or black. So all right. So I can give this a gold color. So I can make the color gold. So good. All right. So I can also make the background golden, but very dark good. I can make this uh 386. Can make this very dark gold. So what I'm going to do here is this. I'm going to hide all this text. Then I'm going to only review a portion of this text. So I can use my pen tool. I can just just design something anyhow I want it. Okay, let me use this second one. I can just delete this. Okay, so I have this. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to hide every other text, but I'm going to only review a particular portion of this whole text. So any text that falls inside this shape will be reviewed. So for me to be able to do this, so uh, I'm going to add an overlay. So I'm going to go here, add overlay. So there's an overlay. Then I'm going to use this as mask. So I've masked this. So what's now remaining? I need to hide all this whole text inside. Uh, I, all this text will be hidden. Only anyone that falls inside this shape will be reviewed. So this is now a mask. So but is on top of this, so that's why this text is still visible. So if I bring it down, so it's going to cover this whole text. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to drag it down. So now it's now covering this text. So it's going to review only the portion where that falls inside it. So I can drop it here. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to fix this. So I can now duplicate this frame. So I select it. I hold down my shift key so it doesn't move up or down. I take it to the end. All right. Now I can now click here. So I connect my node. So I connect the from this to this. I say after delay, this should be smart animate. Smart animate. I can swap change the frame 20 milliseconds. Then ease out. Uh, this can be 1000 milliseconds. That's 1 second. Then when it gets to the end, it will loop start afresh. So I'm going to take this back. So I say after delay. So I'm going to make it instant. So I want it to change back immediately. So I'm going to make this 1 second. I don't want it to waste time. I want it to go back immediately. So I'm going to preserve, of course, scroll position. So we can now prototype this and see how it works. We can okay, so we are now running the you can see you can see the effect. So he's moving and he's actually revealing the text. Uh, so guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now.